motorcyclist killed in head-on collision in Manchester. Missing man found dead in tank in Manchester. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 2 motorists died as a result of injuries they sustained in a head-on collision on the Butt-Up Main Road in Manchester Sunday morning. Police named the deceased as 31-year-old Anthony Cunningham, a resident of Butt-Up District, and 22-year-old Paul Newman, a resident of Greendale, Manchester. A police report stated that about 1:30 a.m., 2 motorcyclists were heading in opposite direction when the bikes collided, resulting in the motorcyclist sustaining serious injuries. Both injured men were taken to the Mandeville Regional Hospital, where Cunningham was pronounced dead at 2:40 a.m. Newman succumbed 2 hours later at 4:55 a.m. The Manchester police are investigating the suspected drowning of a 57-year-old man in the parish on Sunday. He has been identified as Delroy Spencer, a labourer of Meadsfield, Newport, Manchester. Spencer's body was reportedly found floating in a tank at the back of his house about 1 p.m. The Newport police stated that he was reported missing on Sunday by relatives.